gun rights groups have come out criticizing statements from DHS, the FBI, and President Trump. Those statements insinuated that Preddy's killing was partially caused by his decision to conceal and carry during Saturday's protest. And President Trump doubled down on some of those statements today.
He was acting as an assassin in Minneapolis.
Who is that?
Mr. Preddy, your deputy chief of staff said
not
that.
isn't it? No. With that being said, you can't have guns. You can't walk in with guns. You just can't. And you can't, listen, you can't walk in with guns. You can't do that. But it's a very unfortunate incident.
And joining us now is Ed Sullivan from the Illinois State Rifle Association and Bill Sack from the Second Amendment Foundation. Thanks to both of you for joining us. Ed Sullivan, a former Republican lawmaker here in Illinois. Good to talk to you again. What do you make of those recent comments from the president, basically saying you can't come to an event like this with a gun?
Well, certainly we would need clarification of what he truly meant. We know that you have a constitutional right to stand there lawfully and have a firearm in the state of Illinois. I helped write the Concealed Carry Act of 2013, and so we know what the law is. Now, did the president mean that you can't interfere with law enforcement and have a firearm? I still believe you have that right as long as you're acting lawfully, but if you are going to have a firearm and you're going to attack a law enforcement officer, you're not really acting responsibly at that point. And I'm not trying to, lay blame on what took place up in Minnesota. I'm talking general.
In general. Bill Sack, your reaction to what you heard from the president?
I mean, I think, unfortunately, without trying to guess what the president meant, what he said, regrettably, is just factually incorrect. It's entirely lawful to carry a permitted concealed firearm at a public gathering or a protest in Minnesota. It's also constitutionally protected conduct. So if the administration is interested in clarifying its comments to talk about unlawful conduct, it's welcome to do so. But just simply stating that it's unlawful, unconstitutional, or accepting some sort of personal risk of state violence because you choose to conceal carry in public, that's just incorrect.